Steve, Stereo Steve's. How you doing? All right, here's the Tacoma we just finished up. Sounds amazing.
Yeah. Regina and George Daniels. I love you, baby. Give me love. I see you. Yeah. DJ Wayne Williams. Spinning the records. Make sure you spin this one, baby.
These are factory speakers. This truck would never sound this good with these. So if someone, no, this is junk. How's it sound? Sounds amazing.
A lot better than yeah. That's
right.
pretty cool.
I think it sounds amazing, man. It's just gonna sound better once it breaks in and loosens up. It's gonna get louder and
intense.
Yeah. So that sounds. I'm so happy with it. Thanks for doing the door speakers. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. So we just finished up the truck. It's awesome. There's the equipment. That was the customer. This truck is beautiful, and now it sounds awesome. So you need that kind of service, give us a call, 801-709-1285. We're in Orem, Utah, 243 West, 700 North. I'm Steve, I'm Stereo Steve, and I'm the owner. Thanks for watching my video.